Odondi ago mos iwacho ni wamaka maka kamano dhi e kaunti ma Kisumu monde bang'e ibro bedo ka iduogo na korunga jang hadar mar mondo modhi e kaunti ma Kisumu achiel kachiel onya na chen mabende dhi nyime EACC ke kinde mabende koro giduoko lope moyake hello jopiny.
Value of the land excluding the development is valued at about 790 million Kenya shillings, 790 million. But when you include the developed part, the value comes to about 4.3 billion Kenya shillings. Now, there is a good reason why the government sets aside land for public use or for institutions to use. Prisons is a very critical agency in our country. And as the Commissioner General just informed us, in most of the 47 counties, prison land has actually been encroached. And we are assisting the Kenya Prison Service to get back their land, this being one of them. I do not want to dwell on the specifics of the case because now the case is before court, but just to urge those who have documents for this undeveloped part of the land that the most reasonable thing for them to do is to hand back those documents back to the commission and surrender the parcels back to the government, because it will not be available for their use. That I can assure you. We will do everything that is possible within the law to ensure that all public land, not only in Kisumu, but throughout the country, reverts back for the intended use. In this county, we've been able to assist many agencies get back their land, starting with the Kenya Railways, where we recovered some pieces of land that were illegally acquired some time back, and those parcels are now back in the hands of the public through the agency that was intended to hold that those properties on behalf of Kenyans. So, just like we were advised by the CEC lands in Kisumu and also the county commissioner, getting or acquiring public land has a process. We urge the public to follow the process that is legally allowed for you to own public land. I know there is a craze in this country where any vacant place, any unoccupied place, not only in Kisumu but throughout the country, there are people who just scout around idle land that is available. And immediately when they see that this property was intended for public use, the next thing they do is to, through the Ministry of Lands and probably at times the National Land Commission, come up with documents claiming ownership of those properties. It may take some time, but eventually all those properties will revert back to the public for the intended purposes. And when I'm saying that this particular parcel, the undeveloped, those who claim ownership, hand back the documents that they claim ownership of. There is an ADR policy that is existing, the Alternative Dispute Resolution policy that is existing and recognized by our constitution and by our law, where people who have acquired public land illegally or irregularly can hand back that land back to the public through the commission, the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission, instead of going through an expensive and time-consuming legal process. Because eventually, if the original allocation documents, the allotment letter, has challenges, eventually that property will revert back to the public. So I want to advise those people who have acquired land irregularly or illegally, and they know that that parcel was intended for public use, to do the honorable thing and just return that asset back to the commission. For this particular property, sometime in 1989, there's an assistant minister who was in charge of Home Affairs and Heritage, who acquired this particular parcel of land, and who eventually also subdivided the property into some smaller plots and sold, or rather sold to some individuals. Of course, that is an illegal process. And in all the cases where we find there is illegality or irregular acquisition of property, other than the civil litigation where we revert back the property to the public for the intended use, we will also go after the public land, the land officials who, facilitated.
Ne koromga jong mano kandidata chenro maduong' mano mar EACC Abdu Muhammad mabende loso kotenre kod jogwek mabende sibido kaya kulupe mago mag sirkal. Kodo kethor wach marwa hodondi mosa hinya na ngadi kwa dhi county ma Kisumu. Nen paro man intiere godo.
Ego kamano. En ni ne watemo wacho ni no wawuoye wach mar ombulu. Ombulu en ratiro mari mar mondo mi ibed go ombulu, ok ibedo go ombulu because of jasiasa. Bedo go ombulu ni telo mi yiero koko